Professor Belfrost's science class is back.
Hi, welcome back to this channel. And today we'll again discuss another concepts related to science. So here's the science tutorial for you today. Are you ready? Let's continue playing this video. Good, welcome back. And today we'll again discuss another exam problems related to mathematics, physics, and chemistry. So let's see our first question, first problem that we're going to discuss today, which is a mathematic problem. So here's the question. Let fr map to r and gr map to r. This is a function. Okay. The input is all real number, and yeah, this is the domain. This is the range. Okay, and it also map to a range which are element of real numbers. Okay, so we have function f(x), for example, gx. Okay, be two non-constant differentiable functions. If fx and x, okay, f apostrophe x, okay, this is the derivative of the fx, okay, equals a e exponent, exponent fx minus gx times the derivative of gx for all x uh, element of real numbers, and f1 equals g2 equals 1, then which of the following statements are true? Okay, so A, B, C, D. Let's analyze. So we are given this form. Okay, so yeah, the derivative of x equals this form. So actually, you can try to move. Okay, because actually we can break this to be like this, right? E f x times e minus gx, right? E it's a little hard. E minus gx. Okay, it can be uh, done as shown, and we can move this into this side, and this stay in this side, and we integrate both sides. As you know, if we integrate this, it will become like this. Okay, it's straightforward, right? And then we can move it to one side and left the constant on the other side. And we know that because of that f1 equals g1 equals 1, and f1 equals g2 equals 1, then yeah, minus f1 minus exponent minus f1 plus exponent minus g1 is equal to minus e minus f2 plus e minus g2, because we are told it is the same. Okay, and we just need to substitute the number, so it gives us with, okay, e minus f2 plus e minus g1 equals, okay, 2 over e. So e minus f2 must be less than 2 over e, and e minus g1 must be less than 2 over e, because the addition is the one that gives us this result. So minus f2 is just, yeah, you need to take ln on both sides. So ln exponent minus f2, ln 2 over e, it means that ln 2 minus ln e. Ln e is 1, okay? And also you can obtain this form from the right one, okay? Left one, right one, and then you just need to switch side, right? Switch sign. f2 is greater than 1 minus ln 2, and g1 is greater than 1 minus ln 2. So option B and C are both true. Now, second problem, which is related to physics. So sunlight of intensity 1.3 kilowatt per meter square is incident normally on a thin convex lens of a focal length of 20 centimeters. Ignore the energy loss of light due to the lens and assume that the lens aperture size is much smaller than its focal length. The average intensity of light in kilowatt meter minus 2 at a distance of 22 centimeters from the lens on the other side is. are given this sketch. Okay, and we can see from here is that the AFB is actually what? Similar, right? It's similar. I mean, it's not the same size, but it is similar. It is congruent, okay, with FCD or CFD, okay. So actually, we can create this ratio from this meaning. So D lowercase by D capital equals, yeah, we have been given in this sketch, okay, 2 by 20. Where we obtain this 2? Because it is said that the distance is 22 centimeters on the other side. So 22 centimeters minus 20 centimeters, it becomes 2. So you need to pay attention to all of the information that is given on this passage, okay, to be able to sketch this picture. So 2 by 20, it is 1 over 10, right? 1/10, I mean, okay? And ratio of the area is just the square of this ratio, which is 100, okay? Which is 100, okay? And as there is no energy loss, then the average intensity of light at distance 22 centimeter from the other lens, it can be expressed using this formula, okay? See, because it say that the intensity, this incident is 1.3. You can just compare it using the ratio, okay? So it must be greater, right? Okay, it must be magnified by the ratio, the reciprocal of the ratio, which is 1.3 over 100, which is 130 kilowatt meter per meter square. So this is the answer. Number 3, which is chemistry. The IUPAC names of the following compound is or are. Okay, so here is the sketch. Actually, you can express this in several ways. Okay, so let's see. If we separate this, okay, so you notice that this form, this structure, it is benzene. If you want to take this as benzene, so we start from this 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can create, this is a 1 chloro, 4 methane. I mean this is methyl, okay, 4 methyl benzene. Or if you take this, because you notice that this is a structure of toluene, then you can create like this. So you take this, always be the first one, second, third, fourth. So it is on the fourth leg, which is for chlorotoluene. Okay, so this is the toluene structure. Okay, so A and B are correct. Okay, so that is the only uh, discussion for today. Is just short. Okay, before I end this video, I want to share with you a very good quote that I have picked up from a Chinese proverb. Okay, be not afraid of going slowly, but be afraid only of standing still. Okay, that's the end of the video for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following so far. And here's what you need to do. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment, and share this video to your friend. And also, don't forget to check our website at https://sciencewithexploits.uanaux.com, and I'll be back on every Tuesday, so keep watching and be thoughtful.